Hello, welcome back to Maci-English for Kids. Today, we're going to talk about a very fun topic, our weekend. Are you ready? Let's go! Weekend. Weekend. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday when we don't have school. Relax. Relax. To relax means to rest and enjoy quiet time. Playground. Playground. A playground is a place where kids can play outside on swings and slides. Park. Park. A park is a place where people can walk, play, or have a picnic. 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 A picnic is when you eat outside, usually in a park with family or friends. Movie. Movie. A movie is a story you can watch on a screen for entertainment. Soccer. Soccer. Soccer is a game where two teams try to score goals with a ball. Hi, everyone. My name is Lily, and today I'm going to tell you all about my weekend. Weekends are my favorite because I get to spend time with my family and friends. On Saturday morning, I relax a little and watch cartoons with my sister. Then, we all go to the park as a family. We play games, ride our bikes, and sometimes we have a picnic with sandwiches and juice. It's so much fun. In the afternoon, I meet my friends at the playground. We love playing tag, soccer, and running around. Afterward, I help my mom bake cookies at home. They taste so yummy. On Sunday, we usually go shopping in the morning. My dad buys fruits and vegetables, and my mom looks for new clothes for us. After shopping, we all watch a movie together in the living room. Last weekend, we watched a funny cartoon movie, and we laughed a lot. In the evening, my family plays board games like snakes and ladders. It's such a special time for us because we laugh and talk together. So, that's what my weekend looks like. It's full of fun and special moments with my family and friends. What do you do on the weekend? Thank you for listening to my weekend story. Now, it's your turn. What do you like to do on the weekend? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Maci-English for Kids for more videos. See you next time, and enjoy your weekend. Bye.